English story by Joe. Like and subscribe my YouTube channel.
Story name: Be Considerate. Brown Monkey was fond of playing very much, and he usually bullied others. Hey, don't do it. He always turned a deaf ear to any admonishment. I'm tired of hearing it repeatedly. One day. Hey guy. Are you scared of me? Yes. If so, carry me on your back. Sure. Meanwhile. Hey. Why are you bullying him? Get him free. Yes, of course. You must do all I ask you to do. Yes. Fearfully, Brown Monkey had to do everything he was asked to do. Only then did he feel considerate. Phew. Those who were bullied by me will be like this. All right. Have you now realized consideration for others? Yes. Don't bully anybody from now on. I'll no longer bully anybody. We can derive a valuable lesson from the story titled, Be Considerate. Empathy leads to consideration. The narrative unfolds with Brown Monkey, a character inclined towards bullying and insensitivity. Despite numerous admonishments, he remains indifferent to the feelings of others, dismissing their pleas. However, the story takes a turn when Brown Monkey, in a vulnerable situation, experiences firsthand the fear and helplessness he inflicted on others. This transformative moment serves as a powerful illustration that understanding and sharing the emotions of others pave the way for a more considerate and compassionate demeanor. The lesson gleaned is clear: empathy serves as the cornerstone for fostering genuine consideration, prompting individuals to refrain from harmful behaviors and instead embrace a more empathetic approach in their interactions with others. This is the end of the story. Don't forget to like and subscribe my YouTube channel. See you in the next videos. Bye bye. Have a nice day.